Good morning, my dear friends and the founders of the Paradise Cove, Spa Room, as well. This is Bioenergy Medicine, BEM Academy. And congratulations for two of our first students, the employees of this establishment, Nadia and Alicia. For the past 3 weeks of month of March, we have accomplished academic studying and practices of bioenergy medicine in the form of naturopathic therapy using remedies, as well bioenergy massage, which is a physiotherapy, the highest technology in the wellness industry. So today is a Monday, last week of March, and our wonderful two students going to exercise today with their own kits, personal kits with the accessories, the massage moisturizing cream, the energizing balm, and 2 pair of gloves, which are ionic silver gloves and the surgical gloves. Many of you know that. So brand new, and this kit will help you to start your career. Hit the ball, Nadia and Alicia. Book your appointments. We're going to do not only practices. We're going to learn how to manage and provide the services and create the cash flow. We all would like you to experience the outcome, which are the popularization of the most effective life nourishment healthcare system in the Bahamas out of the Paradise Cove Yoga and Wellness Retreat. As well, we would like you get the whole benefits by earning as a qualified and trained specialist. So this week, we not only doing treatments to each other, get experience the rejuvenation and healing power of both naturopathic therapy and bioenergy massage therapy. As well, we're going to serve right this week our beloved customers. They are your family and your friends. For 2 of you, Alicia and Nadia, I have 2 hours of practice is free of charge, and you have your personal kits. But I'm engaging you to book appointments for your first customers. I will do the massage part, but you're going to practice as an assistant, and we will create a cash flow, because our program, Bahamas Wellness Program, one of the most effective and profitable, and to know how to do it. So we exactly going to practice this week, last week of March. That is whole course of 1 month for your academic and hands-on practices for the certification and cash flow, or another way, your rewards in the monetary figures. So let's see how much we can make. And I would like you to hit the ball. It's a Monday. I'm going to do today with Nadia, and hopefully Alicia will join us tomorrow, because we know that she has some issues today. One more good news. We have Belinda joining us as a massage specialist for the outdoor massage practices and the cash flow. So we will experience tomorrow 2 ways of servicing our tourists, our clients, to do outdoor beach massage and indoor diagnostics personal wellness program, and bioenergy therapy. So whole range of services, and we're going to start to practice today. Hit the ball, girls. Get in touch with me and be prepared, as the summary of Monday and the beginning of the last week. We're going to have a Zoom meeting. And for that meeting, please invite your friends who will complete your groups, because we're going to work as a team. So Alicia gonna lead her group, Nadia going to lead her group, hopefully that's family groups and friends. And this model, we're going to at the same time improve personal health, fix our own problems and the problems of our closest beloved ones as well. We are earning. So this week we are earning all together. Please, at 8 p.m., 1 hour summary on Zoom meeting with your family members. Invite them. I'm gonna post the invitation in the group and we start to fly. Looking forward to see you on the Zoom meeting. Have a blissful Monday.
So hi, good morning. My name is Alicia, and I'd like to share my thesis with you based on the 2 weeks training thus far I've had with Natalia about the Bahamas Wellness Association. Okay, so the first thing I'd like to talk about is the introduction to what I've learned, and that is the Yang-Shen Health Care System and the naturopathic therapy, which means life nourishment. And this was created by experts of Fohow. Fohow comes from the name Phoenix, okay? And the word Phoenix, which means the king of all birds. This bird does not fear setbacks. It overcomes countless tribulations and hardship, and it is said to be divine with eternal health. All right? And also about Fohow, it is based on a 5,000 years of experience in Eastern medicine. And this is not a Chinese corporation. Fohow is a transnational corporation, which means all nationalities found the corporation. Fohow, just as Fohow Bahamas, we're in the Bahamas, okay? And which means it caters also to all nationalities, people of various backgrounds like you and me. So now the bioenergy medicine, let me give you some insight on that. Our bioenergy medicine work with our body, mind, and spirit. Okay, so the yin-yang healthcare system includes 3 phases: the psychological health regulation, the physical activity, and the balanced nutrition. All 3, they are method. The naturopathic therapy system uses natural remedies such as herbs and bushes, which is good because these remedies do not leave waste, unlike synthetic medicine that leaves not only waste but side effects. So this system helps the body to heal itself. In other words, it works as an immune system booster. And it embraces many therapies, including herbs massage, acupuncture, exercise, and nutritional counseling. So the goal of the naturopathic remedies is to treat the whole person, which brings us back to the system. Our health relies on the mind, body, and spirit. And because of its natural properties, it aims to heal the root cause of an illness, not just to stop the symptom. So hence, this is a life-nourishing system. The most incredible about our products, as said before, they are natural, meaning they are produced by nature but are enhanced with high technology when they take all the active elements properly put it into our bodies in form. So like I said, the active elements purely put into our bodies in form of remedies. That is why it works as medicine and better, because they help to remove toxins from the body and does not have side effects compared to synthetic prescribed medicines. That is why bioenergy immune modulators, that's why they are bioenergy immune modulators. Okay? And note, energy is delivered to the body through the foods we eat and liquids we drink. You are what you eat, and chronic disease are developed from poor eating habits, synthetic pills, and stress as yelling, negative thoughts, and this could have a harsh impact on you. And basically that is why we offer you what a healthy lifestyle presents. So now about our 9 main remedies of the Yang-Shen healthcare system. They work as a whole system more effectively with a healthy lifestyle. And at a minimum, if your mood is negative or your mind is stressed, or if you don't eat right or sleep, or also lack of exercise, the medicine will work at a minimum if you don't take care of yourself properly. Okay? And why? Because they work on a bioenergy level. And remember, bioenergy is your DNA. The 9 remedies each are a state of art and perform 3 functions, and those are the purification, regulation, and the restoration throughout the Mediterranean network. The products complement one another to clean the body, to regulate the DNA and cell functions to the entire body. And from birth, we start with purification and restoration because it is a natural function of our body. So our remedies enhances the body natural function, and that is why it is important to regulate these processes. So remember, we have 9 remedies. So you have any information you want me to go in detail about each remedy, just contact me for more information. Okay? Thank you for watching.
Come on in.
Good morning.
Morning. Welcome. How can I help you?
Yes, I heard that you guys have some natural stuff here that can help me with my bowel movements.
Yes, you've come the right place. Come on in and have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's a system, a unique system. All of our products are FDA approved. Here is our certificate approved by the United States of America. Once a product is FDA approved, you know that product is good. So again, our unique system, one size does not fit all. So I have to create for you a personal wellness plan program because it is a system of everything I have displayed. I will compose a plan how to take them. So that's why you need a consultation, because there can be so many things. I need to know exactly what's going on with you and give you a solution to your problem. So, would you like to get started?
Yes, I would like to start a consultation.
Okay, the consultation will be $50 and you're going to pay with cash or credit card?
Cash.
Okay, good. Now I just need you to fill out this form for me.
Thank you. Here you go.
Okay, thank you so much. I just need to check your blood pressure. Can you step over here to the scale for me, please? Okay, good. Okay, Mr. Forbes. All right, good. Okay, so how often do you get a pass?
About once every 2 weeks.
Okay. All right. So you're going to get the Louis tea, which is priced at $24. It eliminates indigestion, promotes blood circulation, and remove blood cells, balance the body heat, reduces blood pressure. Next, you're going to get the Rosa paste. It relaxes the bowels. It regulates bacterial colons within the human body. It protects the liver and prevents tooth decay. Ganodermal capsules regulates the function of the central nerve system and it regulates the sexual functions. So now I'm going to allow you to know how to consume the remedies, okay? The Louis tea, you're gonna make 1 glass jar with 1 tea bag with 2 liters of water, okay? With the Rosa paste, you're gonna take a teaspoon, put it underneath your tongue and dissolve it with your saliva. So I will do a follow-up on you to make sure that you're consuming the remedies correctly. Okay?
Okay, we'll appreciate that.
So I say to you, thank you, Mr. Forbes, for choosing Life Nourishing Healthy Care System, where we say thank you to a healthy, long, prosperous, and joyful life. See you soon and take care.
Bye-bye.